Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, we have a very interesting system of simultaneous equations. Now, to solve these equations, let us start with a very simple substitution. Let x plus y be equal to a, and let the square root of xy be equal to b. Now, with these two substitutions, we can write this first equation as a plus b is equal to 14. Now, in the second equation, we have x squared plus y squared plus xy. Now, x squared plus y squared can be written as x plus y squared minus 2xy. And then we have xy, so plus xy. Now from here we have x plus y squared minus 2xy plus xy is going to give us minus xy. Now remember that x plus y is equal to a. So this is a squared minus, of course, you know that when we square both sides of this equation, we have that xy is equal to b squared. So this is equal to b squared. And of course, you know that the second equation is equal to 84. Now, this is a much simpler system of equations to solve. To solve this equation, let us start by factorizing the left-hand side of the second equation. You can see the difference of two squares. So that means that this left-hand side is the same as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And of course, this is equal to 84. But from the first equation, we have that a plus b is equal to 14. That means that a minus b times 14 is equal to 84. And of course, from here we have that a minus b is equal to 84 over 14, which is 6. So now we have two even more simpler equations. We have that a plus b is equal to 14, and we have that a minus b is equal to 6. Now, if we add these two equations, we will be able to eliminate b. So let us do that. On the left-hand side, we have 2a. 14 plus 6 is 20. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we have that a is equal to 10. Now let us go back to this equation. From here, we have that a minus 6 is equal to b. 10 minus 6 is equal to b, which is equal to 4. So a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 4. Now that we have found the values of a and b, of course, we go back to these two substitution equations to find the values of x and y. And from here, we have that x plus y is equal to 10, while xy is equal to b squared, that is 16. Now, from this second equation, we have that y is equal to 16 over x. Substituting 16 over x for y, in the first equation, we have x plus 16 over x is equal to 10. Now, to get rid of this fraction, we multiply through this equation by x. X times x is x squared. 16 over x times x is 16, and 10 times x is 10x. Rearranging this quadratic equation, we have x squared minus 10x plus 16 is equal to 0. Now, we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of 16 that add up to minus 10. And of course, you know that it is minus 2 and minus 8. Because minus 2 times minus 8 is going to give us plus 16, while minus 2 minus 8 is going to give us minus 10. So when we factorize the left-hand side, we have x minus 2 times x minus 8 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either x minus 2 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 2, or x minus 8 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 8. So we have two values for x, 2 and 8. And of course, now we go back to this equation to find the values of y. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 16 over 2, which is 8. And when x is equal to 8, y is equal to 16 over 8, which is 2. So we have 2 points. The first point is 2, 8. And the second point is 8, 2. So these are the 2 points that satisfy these two simultaneous equations. Now let us check. For the first point, we have x equal to 2 and y equal to 8. Substituting into the first equation, we have 2 plus the square root of 2 times 8 plus 8. Now this is 2 plus 2 times 8 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4 plus 8. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 8. This is equal to 14. Now substituting into the second equation, we have 2 squared, that is 4, plus 2 times 8 is 16, plus 8 squared is 64. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 plus 64 is 84. Now for the second point, we have x as 8 and y as 2. We have 8 plus 2 times 8 plus 2. Basically, the same thing happens. We have 10 plus 4, which is 14. Once more, we have 8 squared, which is 64, plus 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 2 squared, which is 4. This is equal to 84. So these 2 points are correct. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.